You've been looking up at that ceiling project for a while. Now it's time to get rolling. Before we get started, here's a list of things you'll need. Step 1. Wipe down your ceiling. It's always a good idea to wipe down your ceiling and walls before taping and painting. This will help ensure your paint will apply and avoid getting dirt or hair stuck in your paint job. Step 2. Tape the trim. First, you'll want to tape your trim or crown molding. Use longer rather than shorter pieces of tape to lessen the gaps and reduce the chance of paint sneaking through. Start in a corner. With a clean putty knife, press the tape edges to the trim in small sections as you go. That's the best way to get that nice, even paint line. Step 3. Remove vents. Remove your vents and all ceiling fixtures like lights, hanging plants, smoke alarms, or any other items so you don't get paint on them. Step 4. Prime. To cover up any stains or marks, spot prime with Valspar primer. Use a brush and give it some time to dry. Watch our Painting Basics primer video to see more. Step 5. Cut in with paintbrush. Use an angled paintbrush and cut in along the trim with your chosen Valspar color. For more tips on cutting in, check out our Painting Basics interior video. Step 6. Paint with roller extender. Now it's time to roll. Pick a corner and roll in straight lines in the same direction. Work in small sections at a time until the entire ceiling is done. Step 7. Remove tape and replace vents. It's time for the great reveal by finally removing the tape. For the cleanest line, remove the tape before the paint is fully dry. Then replace your vents and enjoy. You're done. Now look up and enjoy your fresh new ceiling. For more painting information and how-tos, visit valspar.com.